After everything is done as planned, making the bed, to find teeth, applying the manure, then we are in the last bit before sowing the seeds. And the last bit of it is making the drills. The drill is the line, or is the line that we draw on the ground, where we are going to sow our seeds. And it's not supposed to be very deep, it's not supposed to be very wide. There are two types of drips when you're using the drip line. You can use a double drill. Double drill is making on this side and on the other side. That is the what we call double drill. Doing a line, which is a shallow line on this side of the drip, and doing another shallow drip line on this side of the drip. And in case of a big crowd, just remove it. Don't make sure it's very fine. It's as fine as possible. Remove all the crowds or the big clumps of soil for the drill to be on the fine edge. So you can do a double drill, or you can do a single drill where you just move from one line to the other, making the drill as simple as that. As simple as that. This is where now we are going to do our transplanting, or our sowing, sorry, not transplanting, the sowing of the seed. This is where it will be done, and it's as simple as that. As simple as that. Hope you've learned something from our today's training. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. For those who have been the subscribers of this channel, I'm so grateful. Hope you're learning, and let's share this video. Let's like, so that other farmers can be able to see it.